In the annals of history, the Philippine War with Japan stands as a testament to the resilience, bravery, and sacrifice of a nation fighting for its freedom. The echo of gunfire and the roar of planes marked the dawn of December 8, 1941, a day that would forever be etched in the memory of the Philippines. Japanese forces, in a relentless wave, invaded the archipelago, turning the tranquil islands into a theater of war. From the pulsating heart of Manila to the serene islands of Visayas and Mindanao, no stone was left unturned, no life untouched by the horrors of conflict. But amidst the chaos and fear, a beacon of hope emerged. Filipinos from all walks of life rallied together, their hearts ignited with the flame of liberation. Their collective courage painted the first strokes of a resistance that would span years. From the bustling streets of Manila to the remote islands of the Visayas and Mindanao, Filipinos from all walks of life joined the struggle for liberation. With ingenuity and courage, Filipino guerrillas waged a relentless campaign against the occupying forces, disrupting supply lines, gathering intelligence, and rallying their fellow countrymen to resist. This was not a war fought solely by soldiers, but by ordinary Filipinos, who found extraordinary strength in the face of adversity. In the provinces of Bataan and Corregidor, Filipinos stood their ground in a fierce defense that would echo through the annals of history. Their determination, their unwavering resolve, was a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Filipino people. In the countryside, guerrilla fighters launched heroic exploits, their actions a beacon of hope amidst the darkness of war. Each battle, each act of resistance was a declaration, a refusal to bow down to tyranny. From the valiant defense of Bataan and Corregidor to the heroic exploits of guerrilla fighters in the countryside, the Filipino spirit remained unbroken. In the face of overwhelming odds, the Filipino spirit, resilient and defiant, shone through. Finally, on September 2, 1945, the guns fell silent as Japan surrendered, marking the end of a long and arduous struggle. A cloud of smoke hung heavy over the once bustling cities, now silent with the echoes of war. Yet, beneath the rubble and ruin, the spirit of the Philippines remained unbroken. The dawn of liberation brought forth a new era in the archipelago. The Philippines, once ensnared by the iron fist of oppression, now stood free and sovereign. The streets of Manila, which had once echoed with the sounds of gunfire and despair, now rang with the triumphant cheers of a liberated people. Yet, as the nation celebrated its newfound freedom, it also mourned the tremendous cost at which it had come. Thousands of brave souls had laid down their lives in defense of their homeland. Mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, sons and daughters, all united by a common cause and a shared sacrifice. Their legacy, however, extends far beyond the battlefields of the past. It is etched in the heart of every Filipino, a testament to their indomitable spirit and unwavering resilience. Today we honor their courage, their sacrifice, and their unyielding commitment to freedom. We remember the brave guerrillas who fought from the shadows, the courageous soldiers who held the line, and the countless civilians who resisted in their own ways. We remember the strength they showed in the face of adversity, the hope they held onto amidst despair, and the love for their country that fueled their resistance. Their legacy serves as a beacon of hope, guiding the Philippines towards a brighter future. It is a reminder that when tyranny threatens, the Filipino spirit prevails, resilient and indomitable. Today we honor the courage and sacrifice of those who fought and died for freedom. Their legacy serves as a reminder that in the face of tyranny, the Filipino spirit will always prevail. For in the crucible of war, amidst the chaos and destruction, the true essence of the Filipino soul shines brightest, resilient, indomitable, and free.